Today I am going to bake in the oven Skillet coffee cake. I'm using Duncan Hines perfectly moist butter golden cake mix. Open the bag and dump it into the bowl and follow the ingredients and the recipe on the back of the box. For starters, I have conditioned my skillet here with oil, and I have placed my cake mix into the bowl, and we'll be adding the ingredients it asks for on the back of the box. Now it is time to preheat the oven to 350 degrees until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out dry. So while the oven is preheating, I'm going to mix the ingredients in the bowl and follow the instructions on the back of the cake box. So now, as you can see here, all of the ingredients are well mixed into a bowl, and this is my coffee cake batter. I have followed the instructions on the back of the cake box. We're going to pour this batter into the skillet before placing it into the oven. So, as you can see, the batter has been placed into the skillet. Now that my oven is preheated 350 degrees, I have placed 2/3 cup of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon in a bowl, and with a little bit of water, I'm going to mix that together to put it in my batter, because once again, this is coffee cake. So now this is my brown sugar and cinnamon mixture drizzled over top of my batter in my cast iron skillet. And again, we are making oven baked skillet coffee cake. Again, this will go into the oven at 350. I'm gonna go for maybe 30 minutes and see if a toothpick inserted in the middle of the cake comes out dry. And I'll be back with the finished product. Okay, so I just pulled it out of the oven. This is the finished product. Looks yummy. Skillet coffee cake. And again, the brown stuff here is the cinnamon and brown sugar drizzled over top. So what we're going to do is let it cool. I'm going to place a towel over top of it, like so. And just let it sit there and cool for about 30 minutes before serving.